Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today I will take your English grammar. Okay. And I will start a new chapter today. Open page number 21 of your grammar book, and the chapter is comparisons. So today I will start comparisons. Okay. Open page number 21, all of you. Yes, very good morning to all of you. So in today's class, we will understand what is bigger, what is thinner, what is longer, like thicker. This kind of comparisons we will understand today. Let's take some examples, then we will understand. A tree is taller than a bush. A tree is taller than a bush. So, we can also see here in this picture that this tree is taller than this bush. The tree is taller than a bush. So here in this sentence we can see that we are comparing between two things. When we are going to comparison between two things, we will simply add than and ear to the word tall. Okay. So when we are going to comparison between two things, we will must add than after the word and by adding ear. Okay. So that's how we will be going to comparison between two things. Another example let's take. The scale is longer than the pencil. We can in this picture we can also see that this scale is longer than this pencil. Here also we are comparing between two things, and like the same we have added than and ear to the word long. Clear? So like the same we have added than after the word longer and long by adding ear. That's how we can make comparison between two things. Clear? Another example we can take like the pillar is thicker than the lamp post. So in this picture also we can see that the pillar is thicker than the lamp post. In size the pillar is thick and the lamp post is thin. So here also we are comparing between two things, and we have added than after the word thick by adding er. So we have added than after the word thick by adding er. Here also we can see we have comparison. We have made comparison between the pillar and the lamp post, two things, by adding than and er to the word thick. Okay? So that's how we can make comparison between two things. And another something different comparison I am telling you now. Let's see the example. Something different this is. Reena's dress is more beautiful than Simi's dress. Reena's dress is more beautiful than Simi's dress. Here also we are comparing between two things, Simi's dress, Reena's dress and Simi's dress. Here also we are comparing between two things, that is Reena's dress and Simi's dress, but here something is different. Than is added, that is what we need to do to make comparison. Than is added and something is different, that is beautiful. We haven't added er to the word beautiful. Rather than that, what we did? We have added more beautiful. So we have to keep it in mind that in some cases we need to add before the word to make it comparison. So in some cases we need to add more before the words to show comparison. This is something different. This difference you have to keep it in mind. Okay? That all the sentences will not be same. Sometimes something also different. Like here in this sentence, than is added. We must add than to show comparison. But here we need to add more before the word beautiful rather than er. Clear? We need to add more before the word beautiful rather than er. That's how also we can show comparison. Clear? I hope this is getting clear to you. Okay. And you can see this box, this point, you have to keep it in mind. It is said to show comparison between two things we use the er form of the word. Or we use more, like I have given you example. Or we use more. This is what I have also told you, that more beautiful, and we often use than also. So than is we need to add to show comparison. Clear? To show a comparison, This point you need to keep it in mind, okay? To show comparison between two things, we use ER form of the word, or we use more, and we often use than also, and we often use than. Clear? Clear? Understood? Can we move forward towards the exercises? Turn to page number 22. And let's do the exercises. Here we are told to tick the correct words in the brackets. So here you can see two options in the brackets. The correct option we need to tick. Let's do this. First one. Let me write the sentence. The table is bigger or smaller than the stool. So here what we can see in the picture, yes, it is bigger. The table is bigger. All of you are correct. Very good. All of you are correct. Yes, Oshmi, Obirup, Snigdha, Shaptorshi, Oshmi. Very good. So the table is bigger than the stool. All of you are correct. Now come to the second one. All of you will do this in your book. In your book you will mark it. Okay. Number 2, the rope is shorter or longer than the belt. The rope is shorter or longer? Yes. Rithojit, I have already completed the page. Very good. Then check it. The rope is, what it will be? Longer. Yes. The rope is longer than the belt. Good. Very good. Number 3. Sanjay is fatter or thinner than Anil. Sanjay is fatter or thinner? What we can see in the picture? Yes, fatter. We can see in the picture that Sanjay is fatter than Anil. Sanjay is fatter. Okay, I am erasing now. Up to this completed, I am erasing now. Now come to number 4. Grandfather is or younger than father. So what we can see in the picture? Yes, all of you, very good. Older. Arman, okay, you have done good. So grandfather is older than father. Now come to number 5. The dictionary is thinner or thicker than the English book. So, the dictionary is thinner or thicker The dictionary is thinner or thicker? Yes, it is thicker. Thicker than the English book. Very good. The dictionary is thicker than the English book. Clear? Now come to the next one. I am erasing, okay? I am erasing. Okay, Riddhi, very good. I am erasing now. The football is smaller or bigger than the cricket ball. So, the football is smaller or bigger than the cricket ball? Bigger, yes, bigger. So, the football is bigger than the cricket ball. Okay. So, the football is bigger than the cricket ball. Now, the next one. The boy is heavier or lighter than the baby. Yes, very good. It will be heavier. The boy, we can also see in this picture that the boy is heavier than the baby. Yes, Rithujit. Okay, you have completed. Very good. So, today I have done page number 22 means up to 7. and the page number 23, that is this part, and of B part number 8, 9, 10 is left. That is what I will do in your next class. So, means page number 23 I will do in your next classes. If you can do this, you can do this at your home, and I will discuss it in your next class. Okay. So, today is up to this. All of you study.